Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is
My Vietnamese name?
My Vietnamese name, Amy.
Yes. Okay, how old are you, Amy?
I'm 8 years old.
Yes, okay. And how are you?
I'm good.
Yes, okay. Now I'll show you the picture. How does she feel?
She feels happy.
She feel happy. How does he feel?
He feels sad.
And how does she feel?
She feels angry.
How does she feel?
She feels
Sick.
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 Ay. How does he feel?
He feels scared.
He feels scared. Okay, now. And how does he feel?
She feels hungry.
He feel hungry. And thus, how he feel?
He feels sleepy.
Okay, now can you tell me the English alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yes, okay. Now this one, what part of the room is this?
This is pen.
Bedroom. Yes, and what you can see in the second one, what's this bedroom?
This, no,
What is this room in the house?
this kitchen. This dining room. This hall. This living room. This bathroom.
And what you can see in the bathroom, what's this?
Toilet.
Toilet. And that one? Bath.
Bath.
Yes. And what's this part of the house? This one. What's this?
This
Yard. Okay, now what's the weather like in Bakleu?
is sunny.
Sunny and
Hot. Cloudy.
cloudy. Yesterday it was rainy in Bakleu, but now it's sunny and it's cloudy. What's the weather like?
This sunny. This rainy. This cloudy. This snowy.
Snowy.
This foggy. This cloudy. This hot and sunny. This car is windy.
What is the fourth season? What is this season? Spring, summer, winter, and fall. What is your favorite season?
Summer.
My favorite season,
My favorite season, summer.
yes, your favorite season is summer. Why? Because
Because sunny.
it's sunny
Sunny is
and hot.
hot.
Yes, okay. Now, this one, what time is it? Look, what time is it?
This 3 o'clock.
What time is it? 12 o'clock. What time is it?
This 12.
12:30. What time is it?
This 12.
5 o'clock. What time is it?
This 3:30.
What time is it?
This
7:40.
45.
Yes, okay. Now tell me, what is your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy?
This
I like to play
I like to play Barbie.
Barbie doll. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.